Do you need help mastering accounting? If learning feels challenging, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll provide a clear blueprint to learn accounting easily and quickly. We'll cover the essential steps to grasp fundamental accounting principles and develop the practical skills vital for anyone in finance. But before continuing, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more career-related finance content. Okay, great. As with most learning journeys, the first step is the most important. Attempting to learn how to register accounting transactions and understand business terms and processes simultaneously can easily lead to confusion. I think starting by understanding key terms and the nature of business transactions is preferable. This would allow you to get used to terms like revenue, cost of goods sold, depreciation, interest expenses, and more. A few brief lessons will enhance your understanding and prepare you for the next step. Introducing the profit and loss and balance sheet statements. In short, you'll learn that the P&L shows how well the company has performed over a specific period, whereas the balance sheet is a momentaneous picture of what the company owns and owes. This is an excellent opportunity to introduce a few key balance sheet items, such as cash, trade receivables, inventory, fixed assets, trade payables, debt, and equity. In this way, you'll be equipped with the necessary context to learn how to record financial transactions. To accomplish this, apply the golden rule of accounting principles: assets equal liabilities plus equity. Then you'll learn how to work with T accounts and what debits and credits are. I personally like the analogy where debit means left and credit means right. It also helps to remember that debit is what you own and credit is what you owe. The topic of debits and credits can confuse accounting students, so using shortcuts to aid initial understanding is undoubtedly helpful. Begin with simple examples, and once you confidently record several transactions, tackle more complex scenarios like deferred or missing payments, advanced payments, and so on. If you like how all of this sounds, I'll be happy to welcome you to the 365 Financial Analyst program. We've created courses that will provide the preparation I wish I had when I started working as a financial analyst. Learn accounting, Excel, and financial analysis with real-world examples that will teach you precisely what you need to know to land an internship or a full-time job as an entry-level financial analyst. Make sure you check out the link in the description. At this point, you understand key P&L and balance sheet items, can apply the golden rule of accounting and T accounts, and are able to register financial transactions using debits and credits. It's time to test your skills and solve a comprehensive exercise, a series of accounting transactions that are then used to create basic P&L and balance sheet statements that talk to each other. Then you can learn how to build a cash flow, which allows you to appreciate the relationship between the three primary financial statements. Once you've acquired the fundamentals, you can learn financial reporting principles, such as the IFRS and local generally accepted accounting principles. The fundamentals allow you to understand how to record accounting transactions, while reporting standards are the rule book you must follow. They aim to introduce uniform criteria that make financial reporting consistent, comparable, and transparent across different companies and jurisdictions. This uniformity allows investors, regulators, and other stakeholders to better understand and analyze the financial health and performance of organizations regardless of where they operate. Okay, great. This is my roadmap for learning accounting in just a few weeks. Assuming you'll spend 2 hours per day watching tutorials and solving practical tasks. One last thing, if you're struggling to find practical tasks, you can visit 365financialanalyst.com, where we have a dedicated projects section with real-world practical tasks. Thanks so much for staying until the end of this video. I'm sure you'll do great. You've got this.